Pakistan gave us identification, peace, respect, self-confidence, prosperity, patriotism, unity, faith and discipline in all over the world. But what we gave to Pakistan?
जुनून से और इश्क से मिलती है।
I love Pakistan, you love Pakistan, we all love to Pakistan. Proud to be Pakistani, Salam Pakistan.